I'll need to start applying my foundation with my beauty puff because I like it. Guys, I like it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's makeup tutorial for beginners, I am going to be trying out using a beauty puff and using a beauty sponge to apply my foundation. If you are interested as well, please keep on watching. I'll see you in my next one. Something that makes me look at you too out there. Baby, you can give us. So guys, on my right side I'll be using the beauty sponge, and on my left side I'm going to be using the beauty puff. The foundation I'll be using today is from CPD Champions Creation and in shade Toffee. I'm using Toffee. I'm going to dot the foundation here. So guys, this is the part with the beauty sponge foundation here. Please let me take a closer look first. Guys, look at it. And this is for the part, this is for the beauty sponge, and this is for the beauty puff. The slight difference between using a beauty puff and a beauty sponge is the beauty sponge is giving me skin like finishing, and this is more dewy. I don't know if it's coming across to you guys like that. And this side here is giving me full coverage. I can tell, and the dewiness on this part is not as much as this side. Please correct me guys if I am wrong, but this is what I am seeing here. I'll need to start applying my foundation with my beauty puff because I like it. Guys, I like it. Guys, it's really beautiful. You need to make sure you apply your skincare because this is dry sponge. It might, especially for someone that have a dry skin, I am not so sure about that. It might be giving you a patchy look. I am not so sure. But if you have a dry skin, you have to make sure you hydrate your skin really well for this to work. I haven't tried this on a dry skin person, but I'm just thinking because it's dry puff, maybe consider that. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Have you tried using a beauty puff to apply your foundation before? If you have, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to thumbs up, don't forget to share, like, and please leave me a comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Baby, I can run all the time.